niggas talk.
Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. I'm a registered behavior technician, and I give upcoming RBTs different tips and tricks on how to pass the exam and my life after the exam. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, comment some more videos you want to see, and join me on the road to a BCBA. Today we are going to go to a comedy show. Right now I'm about to go ahead and get ready. My hair done already, and I need to go ahead and dip it in the water. So I'm going to dip it before I go to the store. I need to find a shirt to go with my fit tonight. And hopefully the comedy show is really good. I'm going to take you guys along with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's go. Oh, before I go, I want to open this package. I got a package from Amazon. I need these for the gym because my AirPods are broke. Like, this is my third pair of AirPods. I'm not buying another pair of AirPods for a minute. Like, I'm not gonna keep replacing AirPods. So they, for some reason, like, the light doesn't come on, like they won't charge. I don't know. I think I washed them, so that's probably why. Let's get dressed. Hey y'all, so something happened to the audio right here. I'm not sure what happened to the audio, but I'm just going to show you guys the stuff I got from the store. So this is the shirt that I'm going to wear in my outfit tonight, and I also got a package from Temu. I also got this Floor is Lava shirt for work, and I like to wear cute shirts like this that my kiddos can look at. And this is just some stuff I got from my face, and I got these wipes for the bathroom. And right here I'm just showing you guys stuff I got from the beauty supply store, which is some ankle bracelets, and I got some earrings, and I also got some nails, which I'm gonna put on later. I also got this body oil stuff. It's called Black Woman. It smells really good. It's like one of my favorite scents from the beauty supply store. I also got some bracelets and some earrings and some nose rings too, and I also got this little wallet thing to put my stuff in. Hey y'all, so this is me after I got completely ready for the comedy show, and I will see you guys at the comedy show. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
But if you got a good woman, you better keep it, because ain't shit left on the show. How the fuck does something look broke? That's the latest. If the nigga look broke,